Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by using an administrator account. This matters because UAC requires elevated rights. Once signed in, press the Windows key and type user accounts, then open the control panel applet. Do not use a standard account. Next, click Change User Account Control Settings to reveal the slider. You are doing the first actionable step now, accessing the slider control so you can change how often Windows prompts you. Make sure you understand the consequences before moving on. Once the slider is visible, drag it down to the bottom position labeled Never Notify. That's the setting that stops prompts for app or system changes. You must click OK to apply it, and Windows will ask for confirmation, provide admin consent, or enter credentials if required. After confirmation, make sure to restart the PC so services and background processes reload without prompting. If you use remote desktop or domain policies, note those may override local changes. You finish by verifying the change. Open Control Panel, go to Security and Maintenance, and confirm UAC prompts are disabled. If you still see prompts, make sure a local security policy or domain group policy is not enforcing UAC. Open gpedit. MSC for domain join machines or contact your admin. If anything unexpected happens, re-enable UAC and restart, because restoring prompts prevents unauthorized changes. Remember, disabling UAC reduces protection, so only keep it off for controlled, temporary scenarios.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.